that. Then you have like, you know, a little bit more closed in. Yeah,
I want to touch. Oh yeah. I will not touch the shelf.
Yeah, there should be
Gloves and
medium, I think. Actually, there's probably enough medium in there. You just hook it up to the air compressor and blow the signal and everything. This thing is so cool.
Oh my gosh.
It's a fun little car.
I can't believe
So
it's
adorable.
The very first mass-produced front-wheel drive car.
Really?
Yep. Before this, all cars front-engine, rear-wheel drive.
Wow.
So it's kind of a significant.
Step one, how does this interior come out? My guess is that it mostly pulls out, but in case this is connected to a wiring harness, that
It
might...
probably is. Can I have a flathead, please? And another cookie?
Look how empty this thing is. Oh my goodness.
Oh, no, there's shit in it.
Oh, there's... Oh, that looks important.
Yeah, because the other door handle broke.
I'm guessing the new one has those parts then. Okay, thank you for putting that
Oh,
on.
there's a hornet behind you. Please be careful.
Me?
It's gone now.
It wasn't gonna bother me.
There is a bee. Or by bee.
You're a bee.
Bee. Shit keeps getting on my window though.
Next step, there's the old door handle is gone, so I just need to get that. It looks like a 10mm up there, and unbolt that one bolt. Yeah. Through all the hammering and chiseling of all this,
I needed to open my door.
it looks fine just the way it is.
Alright.
Wait, I'm about to close it on the interior. It's not good. It's locked. And your phone's ringing too. Wait, how can it be locked?
It can't be locked. I don't know why you closed it to begin with.
To try to open it.
Jacob, there's no, nothing is connected to it. There's no.
This little, hard to see in here. There's no lock cylinder in there. There's a little threaded piece in there. Can I get a light? Yep, I got exactly that little threaded piece right there on the camera. That needs to be threaded as high up as you can, or just not all the way down, because then the door wouldn't open. It didn't have enough clearance, so make sure that spinny bit is as high up as you can make it. And then let me just on camera. No lock cylinder right now. That's all right. It can still lock internally. That's good. But the car has a door handle again. It works. Works quite nicely too. After the door handle frame had to be rebent. Oh geez, the chiseling. That went crazy. You think you got it? I mean, technically that one just needs to be connected on the inside. It doesn't, but we might as well replace both of them while we're here. Out with the old and with the new.
He didn't know the oil filter was right there because the last couple times he changed the oil, that would have meant.
That shit's nasty.
Yeah, gross. Someone didn't change the filter for at least 5,000 miles. Here's I have no idea what brand speaker that is, and then here's the crappy wiring that's with it, so
That's pretty bad.
I want to pull it out, but I just want to cut it. Well, those two are gone all the way up there. We're just at a friend's place in a hangar, which I've never actually worked in a hangar before, but it's nice and roomy in here, and it's probably where I'm going to do my engine swap. Yeah, this place is nice. I wanted these door handles to be a tutorial, but I was also trying to figure it out. There's a screw right here, there's a screw right here, there's a screw right in here, and then the door handle just pulls out from the top right or top left-ish, pull it around, and then whenever it's pulled out, you lift it up and pull it out, and then there's the wiring harness right here. This window switch only goes in one way. I learned that the hard way, so I'm trying to take it apart right now. The speaker wiring goes crazy.
Hey, it worked.
Yeah.
Alright, where am I?
Down here to your left. Up your foot.
Jacob, this is trash. Why did you put it in my car?
Since whatever, I guess. It's trash now.
Apparently, I need fuel.
They needed to build some oil pressure.
This has been really nice. Thank you for the hammer. I gotta make some progress. There's this part which I can't hit, but I can move a little bit.
Ooh, kind of cracking it there.
Oh.
Or at the very least, cracking the primer.
Yeah, I was gonna say cracking in the primer would be normal from doing that. It's probably that's.
And the crack shows up even more on camera. Oh my goodness.